Hi guys, good morning. So time check, it is 10:16 a.m. and today was October 10, 2024. So wala namang special na magiging event ngayon, and yesterday guys, I feel um, let's say not exhausted, but I feel just a normal day yesterday. I haven't make my live, which I plan about it. Pero hindi siya natuloy. It's because of some reason. So, medyo tinamad ako na mag-vlog. Hindi ko alam, but yeah, there are times that we don't feel doing something na kailangan natin gawin. So, I think I need to have more, inspiring video to have or to watch. But anyways, yesterday, it's been just a relaxed day and just a normal one. I made my short videos early. Super early siya kasi nagising ako kahapon, nasa 7 na. And just a normal day na manonood ng news. And then, kakain, magluluto. So, ayun, I will share you some clips na nakuha ko kahapon. It's just a very simple one. And today, ano ba yung plano ko today? So, siguro guys, mag-ano ako today, magla-live ako today. So, abangan nyo yan. I am planning to go live, even just 2 hours. It depends on the viewers or on the people that wants to watch my live. So, but anyways, everything goes well. I've been checking my Google AdSense for the past few days and wala pa din siya guys na update. So, for those who don't know kung kailan mag-update yung Google AdSense sa possible na kikitain natin here on YouTube, bali, nasa, yun guys, between 7 to 12. So, let's say today is October 10. So, the last month na nag-update yung Google AdSense ko was September 12. So, I'm thinking na baka mag-update din siya ngayon ng October 12. So, I'm gonna wait for that and siguro i-update ko naman kayo. So, that's the thing talaga na nag-worried ako kasi it's been almost 4 months na. Supposed to be 4 months. Yes, around 4 months na, and I wish that it will arrive very soon. Pero, na-check ko yung, yung kita ko doon, and it's still half. Not even half, guys, kasi nasa $48 lang siya, which is sad, kasi nga, nung mga past na mga months, medyo tinatamad ako, wala akong ginagawa, kumbaga, konting, lang, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung ano yung mga magagandang gawin ko, ganun. And sobrang, din, guys, some personal things na hindi ko pwedeng sabihin dito. So, ayun. Bali ngayon, siguro, na-mention ko na kanina, magla-live ako and i-ano ko yung sarili ko na gawin yung isang bagay. And I will take videos also, guys, for you or for my vlog. So, abangan nyo yan. And sobrang excited ako. So, kung bago ka pala sa channel ko, don't forget to give me like and subscribe also. We have tuna. This is cost 42 pesos. Chili mansi for 18 pesos. The buyo, 16 pesos. Cheese for 6 cents.
miles per hour. Very sporty. It feels good. The sound, the feel. She can accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 6 seconds. Okay, we're good to go. But maybe not this time. Brakes are on. And the students not really have shoes that has to be so that means no trucks. So just as one pulls up, another back again. Shallow water and hidden reefs will make getting the floor. Harbor pilot Bruce Cummings has been dispatched to help guide her in. This is a man-made port.
Alright, so time check tayo guys. Nasa 1:03 PM na. And kumain na kami ng tig-3 piraso ng itlog this morning. Pero gusto ko pa rin uminom ng kape.
You've probably seen in Star Trek the idea that there's some sort of secret technology